Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I am really blessed to live with a wide open horizon, ocean view outside of my living room window. So for that reason, I'm really trying to decorate my living room in kind of a relaxed, coastal vibe, and this ELYCCUPA wood bead chandelier completely delivers on all of that. Once we had the old one down and we started on the installation of this chandelier, it only took about 20 minutes. I am in love with the relaxed but beautiful look of this chandelier. This chandelier has cream colored wood beads hung with jute twine. The base of the chandelier is also wrapped with jute. It is beautifully constructed and hangs so naturally on my ceiling. When I have this light on in the evening, the way this chandelier diffuses the light is so cozy. I love the shadow pattern that it creates on the ceiling. It looks amazing when it's not turned on too, and when it's just hanging in the full light of day. I think it is a really gorgeous decorative piece, and it complements my living room style so well. My living room is still very much a work in progress, but thanks to this chandelier, I can now see the light at the end of the tunnel. And that's my point of view.